So, as we reach the 4 and the decade, I just enjoy life. I just search to be happy and be happy as always. I know our friendship is going to last forever. But what makes beautiful, chill and good, diba? At least may laway mo na bibili. Wala ka rin tutlo, kasi kapag wala ka na. So, I wish all your wish will be, your heart's desire will come true. And just be healthy, beautiful, and kung may mga wish ka pa, and congratulations sa inyong pagka-ate, sa inyong photo mo, and sa inyong family. That's one thing I'm proud of you. You so happy to your siblings. You know, Noise, you make, proud ko sa'yo. Ako nga ate, wala ko yung abras mo, utol ko. Yeah, because mas magalangan sa akin. Yeah, mga malita sila kong buligan sila. But coming and proud of you, you make things possible to your siblings. And that's one thing I grabbed, no? Sa lulawin ko sila sa'yo. I saw that from the start. Of course, so sabi sa Pigulit, dalay na tayo. Kita doon na magbigay until today. Except kay Ingo, baba, makalain mo mga bata. But, wala nang choice eh, friends na sila. Ano yung sila, hanapin mo sila. Oo ba? Kami yung isa nagpa-Saudi na, perfect. Isa na nabili sa Motorpool. So, congratulations and just always be thankful and grateful enough. Kasi ako proud of you, Alida. Iba hagid ko. So, keep going to business. Alam niyo naman, pag may problema sa business niyo, you want to call away. Ano man lang ang mga gusto niyo enhancement, dito rin ang support. And I'm happy that you're doing business well. And I think you'll always be prayerful na hindi ka na mag-stay with your family. Always, our team, Team Chuba is always proud of you. So, happy birthday and thank you.